Hello traders, today is the 12th of July 2023. What a blessing day, guys. We had an amazing trade. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on Aussie dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. So if you look at here, this is what we did, this analysis with the Asian session. We have this breakout, and as soon as the price broke on the previous high, so we have taken this long trade here. We also had a counter short trade here, bank amazing profit, and after that pretty straightforward, price broken, so we were expecting here another pullback. So we had all this long trade here, counter short trade here, and then again long trade here. How we take all these trades through intraday analysis, let me share with you guys. So pretty straightforward. If you look at here, let me share with you the Asian session analysis. As you can see here, that was explained my trader look for this breakout. So price nicely broken, beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. After banking profit in the morning, I say guys, let's wait for the price action because the price is looking for another pullback. That was the counter short trade here. So you can see here, this is the analysis we did. So based on this analysis, price nicely developed pullback short trade here, give us the confirmation around this level. Beautiful. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait for the market. If the market is going to break short trade here, break long trade here. So after the news, you can see here, as you can see here, price nicely broken. That was the beautiful news, wasn't good for the dollar. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous high level, as explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see if we can get another pullback or let the market develop another structure, which is pretty straightforward. You can see here, we have after impulsive, we have this correction, but the safest trade, as explained my trader, look for this breakout, price nicely broken and hit to the profit target, and that's what I explained my trader to enjoy another profit. You can see guys how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we define entries and exit in intraday, and helping my traders to squeeze pips every single day. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with a live audio commentary support. Have a safe trading guys. Wish you all the best. Until next time, all the best.